Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with International Labour Organization. So let's talk about its history first. The ILO was founded in 1919 in the wake of World War I to pursue a vision based on the premise that universal, lasting peace can be established only if it is based on social justice. The ILO was the first specialized agency of the UN. The ILO is the international organization responsible for drawing up and overseeing international labor standards. It is the only tripartite United Nations agency that brings together representatives of governments, employers, and workers to jointly shape policies and programs promoting decent work for all. This unique arrangement gives the ILO an edge in incorporating real world knowledge about employment and work. The International Labour Organization is the only tripartite UN agency with government, employer, and worker representatives. The unique tripartite structure of the ILO gives an equal voice to workers, employers, and governments to ensure that the views of the social partners are closely reflected in labor standards and in shaping policies and programs. Global issue the ILO is addressing today are global jobs crisis, social protection floor initiative, realizing the millennium development goals, social justice and a fair globalization. Mission and objectives. The primary goal of the ILO today is to promote opportunities for women and men to obtain decent and productive work in conditions of freedom, equity, security, and human dignity. This is said by Juan Somavia, ILO Director General. The International Labour Organization is devoted to promoting social justice and internationally recognized human and labor rights, pursuing its founding mission that labor peace is essential to prosperity. Its main aim are to promote rights at work, encourage decent employment opportunities, enhance social protection, and strengthen dialogue on work related issues. The ILO has four strategic objectives. The first is promote and realize standards and fundamental principles and rights at work. The second is create greater opportunities for women and men to decent employment and income. The third is enhance the coverage and effectiveness of social protection for all. The fourth is strengthen tripartism and social dialogue. In support of its goals, the ILO offers unmatched expertise and knowledge about the world of work. It serves its tripartite constituents and society as a whole in a variety of ways, including the first is formulation of international policies and programs to promote basic human rights, improve working and living conditions, and enhance employment opportunities. The second is creation of international labor standards backed by a unique system to supervise their application. The third is an extensive program of international technical cooperation formulated and implemented in an active partnership with constituents to help countries put these policies into practice in an effective manner. The fourth is training, education, and research activities to help advance all these efforts. So, this is all about the ILO as an UN agency. Bye for now. Share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.